Welcome inside the largest onion processing facility in the United States, where raw onions transform into premium powder. Every onion begins its journey washed and sorted by precision automation. Automated sorting systems remove imperfections, maintaining top quality standards. Advanced robotic cutters handle each onion with exact precision, ensuring uniform slices. Next, onions are carefully dehydrated using state-of-the-art high-efficiency tunnels. From above, the scale of automation becomes evident. Massive tunnels, continuous production. Strict quality control ensures each batch meets exact standards. Sealed airtight, the powder remains fresh and aromatic. Every corner of this facility showcases industrial precision on a massive scale. Peeling is fully mechanized, keeping hygiene and speed at the forefront. Each batch flows seamlessly into collection bins, ensuring purity and uniformity. Pneumatic systems transport powder to storage silos with zero contamination risk. Robotic packaging lines fill containers with precision every single time. Finished products are stacked and prepared for shipping with full automation. Even the simplest steps, like washing, are fully automated for efficiency. Dehydrated onions are then milled into fine powder using high-tech grinders. Automated vision systems detect defects before they move forward in production. Dehydration is scaled to perfection, handling tons per hour with precision. Laser-guided slicers cut each onion perfectly, maintaining consistency. Trays move automatically, drying onions evenly without human touch. Advanced milling machinery transforms dried slices into fine powder effortlessly. Pneumatic transport systems keep the powder moving hygienically and efficiently. Sensors ensure that every particle meets stringent quality standards. Precision filling systems package each product seamlessly. Sealed to perfection, the powder stays pure and flavorful. Finished products are organized with robotic efficiency, ready for distribution. Inventory is tracked digitally, minimizing human error. High-capacity washers handle enormous volumes with gentle care. Peeling technology ensures maximum yield with minimal waste.
Slicing is automated, precise, and visually mesmerizing.
Uniform drying locks in flavor and quality efficiently. Milling is high speed yet gentle, producing consistent powder. Transportation systems maintain purity and speed without manual handling. Packaging is fully automated for accuracy and hygiene. Sealed containers guarantee freshness during storage and shipping. Automated logistics manage large-scale inventory flawlessly. Centralized monitoring ensures smooth operation across all lines. Every onion passes through meticulously sanitized washing stations. Robotic peeling maximizes yield while maintaining hygiene. Slicing at this scale is a perfectly orchestrated industrial ballet. Dehydration is both rapid and even, preserving the onion's essence. Finished powder is stored in sanitized silos, ready for packaging. Filling lines work continuously, packaging product flawlessly. Sealing ensures product longevity and purity. Automated logistics handle storage and shipment with precision. From raw onion to premium powder, every step is optimized for efficiency.